brush. Gary Green, Act 2.
Hi.
Hello?
Hi.
This is Justin Bieber.
Oh, yeah. Who is this?
This is Justin Bieber.
Oh, yeah. Because you certainly sounds like that.
Yes, I know.
Who is it?
It's Justin Bieber.
I'm not freaking Justin Bieber.
It's Bruce. Hello? Are you alone?
Yeah.
This is Justin Bieber.
Oh, yeah. Cool.
I'm a little bit horny tonight. What? I said I'm a little bit horny tonight. This is Justin Bieber.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm a little bit horny tonight.
Oh, yeah. Can you sing like Justin Bieber?
Yes?
Start singing.
I told you. Hello? Hello? Peas and carrots? Shh. Oh, I think she knows who I am now. Just said I said peas and carrots to her today at the library.
Peas and carrots.
I mean, you like peas and carrots. Justin Bieber!
Yeah.
Take 3, 2, 1. The infrared's turned off. If I can get him tonight. He's not busy, you just don't want to you just don't want to talk to Justin Bieber. I'm pretty smart, I'll turn on the song, eh?
Oh shit, that's so chewy on the left.
It does too, eh? I was looking at the pictures there, but it's on there. Hello?
Hello.
Why did you hang up on me last time? Hello?
Hello.
Why did you hang up on me last time?
You weren't singing.
Yeah, I was.
Hmm.
Maybe one time.
Cool. What?
You know that it's almost me. You by my side. Them troubles them not trouble me. Many have called, but the chosen is you. Whatever.
This is Justin Bieber.
Oh, yeah. Totally. I like the singing. It's so great.
Thank you. My grandma taught me.
What?
My grandma taught me when she was giving me a blowjob.
Yeah, I can't say anything to say.
I said my grandma taught me how to sing when she was giving me a blowjob.
Oh, yeah. That's nice, right? So who is it?
It's Justin Bieber.
That was freaking nuts.
Now who do you think it is?
I don't know, actually.
It's your best friend ever.
What?
It's your best friend ever.
The best friend ever.
Yeah.
Yeah? Oh, yeah.
No? Who's Emma?
No.
Is she hot like you?
What?
Is she hot like you?
No, she's not my name.
I said is she hot like you?
Oh, yeah, very good.
Threesome!
What?
I said threesome in the showers tonight!
I can't understand you.
I said threesome in the showers tonight!
Because I'm in the shop tonight.
Yes.
What is?
Wanna hang out?
What?
Wanna hang out?
Wanna hang out?
Yeah.
No. You're just a baby. Why do you want to hang out with you?
Cause I'm Justin Bieber? I'm like totally famous?
No. That's gay. You don't like Justin Bieber.
Well, who do you like?
Sure.
Yeah, who do you like?
What?
Who do you like?
What?
I said, who do you like?
What is this?
This is Justin Bieber!
What is Mama?
Well, who do you think it is? Yeah, shit, algebra. Your maths teacher is Mr. Allen. Hello? I'm ringing the bitch up again. This is pretty funny though, eh? I might put this shit on Facebook.
Yeah?
Why'd you hang up on me?
You hung up.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, okay.
So, do you know who this is yet?
And what?
Do you know who this is yet?
No, I don't. Who is it?
I already told you, I'm Justin Bieber! This is Justin Bieber.
Okay.
Thank you.
What?
I said thank you.
What for?
Knowing that it is Justin Bieber.
Okay.
So how is Mr. Allen going?
Who?
Mr. Allen, your maths teacher.
Is it Holly?
No?
Yeah, it is.
No, it's not.
Ben?
No?
What?
No?
Someone in the mascot?
Oh, someone who knows who your maths teacher is.
What?
Or someone who knows that you are in the maths class.
I don't even want to know who it is.
Why?
Really?
Because I made you laugh? Why?
Who is it?
It's Justin Bieber!
It's Bruce.
It's not. I got the person I should like.
McLovin!
What?
McLovin!
Ah.
What? No, don't hang up!
No, I won't. Who is it?
It's Justin Bieber.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Is it? Oh, I'm not. Who is it?
Why do you want to know?
You're ringing me?
I already told you who I am. I am Justin Bieber.
Is it not?
What made
Did
you...
you mention all your credits? I'm trying to make sure it's just a big one. Yeah.
I'm famous. I've got unlimited, like, fucking calls.
You're not famous.
Well, you want my dick in your pussy? Never mind.
I can't wait. Toodles.
Don't.
Yeah.